Hey everybody, Cynthia here. Check out this beauty in Manassas. Absolutely gorgeous. This place shows so much pride of ownership you wouldn't believe. Some really cool things and updates that they've done is they've just added some new windows. They redid the siding and notice that it's aluminum wrapped. So maybe, or vinyl wrap, this one happens to be. For those of you who don't know what that means, no longer is there any wood that's gonna rot because they've taken care of that. They've put a cover over it so you don't ever have to paint it or take care of it. So come see me at 9271 and check out this beauty. We're having an open house today, which is Saturday or Sunday. So it is a split foyer. And as you can see, we're walking up, headed right into this gorgeous kitchen. This place is spotless, lots of fun, lots of air, open. See the dining room looking over to the living room, and we have vaulted ceilings. Check out this fun deck out the back. Let me walk you out here so you can see a great place to spend your evenings, relaxing, cooling off. New deck. We have a lower deck. Great fenced in backyard for the kiddos or the puppies that you might have. It is stainless steel, as you can see, with these gorgeous granite countertops. Really, look at the bright light. It's very open in here, walking down the hallway. So we have our guest bath and our master, and we have a ensuite here for the owners. We're coming back out. Then we have these other two bedrooms, large size. Check that out. Closet. Bedroom number 3 you can use as an office if you're working from home, or fun room, play room. But it is lots of options and just a fantastic, magnificent home. I'm taking you downstairs now so that you can see there's so much more space here. This is really convenient. It's off of Hastings and real close to Prince William County Parkway, so commuting is easy. Look at all this bright light down here in the family room. One of the fun features that I think is great, if you're sitting here watching some games, you don't have to go upstairs. You've got a half bath really close by. Nothing worse, right, than trying to run up during a commercial. We have a brand new LG washer and dryer just installed this year. Then we have exercise room, bonus room, lots of light in here as well. And here's our storage room. And not only that, but we have another half bath. So we've got you covered for bathrooms. It is a 1-car garage. It's on the market for $475, and we just went active today. So we want to see you. Come on out if you know anybody who's looking for a single family home for basically less price than what you're going to pay for a townhouse. Come see me. Cheers.